Okay, if you produced 150 kettles, what is the probability that none of these kettles would be defective? So it might be a little helpful to draw a tree diagram. Actually, it'd be quite helpful. If the probability that is defective is 1 over 65, then the probability that is not defective would be 64 over 65, right? And again, this will remain the same. If the first kettle was not defective, then the probability that the next one that was produced is defective remains the same, because production doesn't depend on the previous kettles that you've made. It doesn't alter the probability in any way. So this will also be 64 over 65. And again, this is not defective. And if you do the same thing, you'll find that every time, to get the not defective, you'll be multiplying by 64 over 65. So if you want the probability that 150 kettles are not defective, in this case, what is the probability that 3 of them are not defective? Well, it will be probability of not defective times probability of not defective times probability of not defective. And this will lead to 64 over 65 to the power of 3. So we can generalize this and say the probability that it's not defective for 150 kettles, this is for 3 kettles, will be just 64 over 65 to the power of 150. And they say round off your answer to 4 decimal places. The answer that you get will be 0.0977.